Hey guys, so I'm back on Rohit Wandering Stallion, a bit of a look change as well. So today it's Friday and I'm expecting a very busy weekend, in fact, the next 9 days. So I decided I always do YouTube once on every week just to burn my stress. Even if I do karaoke, it's just to burn stress, not dedicated to anyone. And I won't be able to come this Sunday, and definitely next Sunday I won't be able to do karaoke's or on YouTube. Maybe for some time, I don't know, because I might be traveling a bit. So I want to do it today. It's Friday, so I just want to do it. I had my food, just want to have some fruit, and let's start from there. So Friday, and it's been an amazing week. I watched a movie as well. Border 2 is simply amazing. It's touched my heart. Beautiful movie. So let's start. Before I start, there's a thought in the mind which I wanted to say and share with you first about life in general, or what I really like about Gen Z or today's generation, which I actually follow. I actually rigorously follow this and I believe in that also. Basically, what I'm trying to say over here is that I really love and appreciate this quality of Gen Z, that we will only stay in touch with you if you are in touch with me. If I am friends with you, if I have a relation with you, then only I will remember you. And it's both ways, it's vice versa. It's like even with any occasions, like it can be any occasions. Like I always believe in life, so I will only talk about life in itself. Any celebration, any occasions, there's no liability, there's no obligation. And even if I go out of a town, another town, it's not mandatory for me to meet with you. We will only, we are always connected one to one. We're only going to meet with you if we have some feelings for you, if we are regularly in touch with each other. And similarly, it goes with relationship. Maybe I'm single, so I'm living like that. I believe in this trend that even if I don't exist tomorrow, I don't need people to come and meet me. It's not necessary for me. And I would appreciate even if you come and meet me as well, because I'm living in today's generation. I really love this quality of the Gen Zs. Like even in relations, like even if a relation, you are single, yeah. So I'm also okay if someone comes into my life for 6 months. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I don't mind. Yeah, and also in general in life, I really believe in this theory. Like what happened with the earlier generations. People used to reach at every occasion. No one is in touch with you, but we want to show our love on good and sad moments. But what today's generation believe, it's like a liability. I have to go to certain marriage. I have to go to certain sad moments. It's a liability for me, because I even believe, I live like that, because when you are alive, people are not caring for you. People, you are actually death for so many people when alive. So why you should be actually reaching a place when, in people's eyes, you don't exist? You should only be with people for whom you are alive. You exist. That's what I really like about today's generation. Like we don't believe in this theory that we're going to be. I spoke with you 10 years back, so now that's, and we had a very great time 10 years back. So we should continue to stay in touch with each other. No, if that relationship ended 10 years back, now who you are, who I am, it's pretty simple. I always call myself by my first name. Nothing bad for anyone, but at the same time, yeah, life is like that. Like if someone is not in touch with you for 10 years, who are you, who I am? I've got new people now, or even if I don't have any people, I don't need anyone now. So I'm okay with that. And about relations also, what's wrong in thinking like I'm single, so I have someone for 6 months? If breakup happens, that's okay. What's wrong in that? It's absolutely fine. The old theory, just spend life with someone, even if you don't like that person, it's a bullshit for me. So I really connect with the Gen Zs, and my life will end like this only. Whoever I feel connected to, I will talk to. I won't think that this person I was in touch 10 years back. So 10 years back, we stopped talking. So now, because they are related to me through a relation, I need to be there. That doesn't work for me. It's like a liability. Yeah, that the goodness in me is, if you remember me, if I remember you, and we start connecting again, then we will meet. That's okay. So let's continue now. So I'll be doing two karaoke's today, and it's just to burn my stress, not dedicated to anyone. Won't be coming this Sunday, and most probably not next Sunday. So let me begin with the first one. Karaoke's, I'm doing old ones, and this is a very beautiful track. Whenever I remember about the feeling of rush, feeling of love, I did it on the Star Maker app also. I really like this track. I love talking in English, but Hindi के against कुछ नहीं है. हिंदी भी बहुत beautiful language है. Tracks karaoke's हिंदी में ही है. But let's continue. Two tracks today, two karaoke's. Before I say bye bye for this week, with the music you will realize which track it is. Anyways, music credit the Star Maker app, ID 621125095526. आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान, आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान, बिन बोले कर देती है हालत ये पल में बयां। आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान, बिन बोले कर देती है हालत ये पल में बयां। आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान। खामोशी भी तो प्यार में रखती बहुत ये असर है। कब इश्क हो जाए यहाँ दिल को कहाँ ये खबर है। 2 दिन भी ये सिलसिले छुप न सके हैं कहाँ। आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान, आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान। हे 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 ला 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 ला। नींद आए ना जब आंखों में बढ़ने लगे बेकरारी। शबनम को भी छूने से जब महसूस हो चिंगारी, तो ऐसा क्यों लगता है एक है जमी आसमान। आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान, आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान। बिन बोले कर देती है हालत ये पल में बयां। बिन बोले कर देती है हालत ये पल में बयां। आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान। हिंदी के अगेंस्ट कुछ नहीं है, हिंदी भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लैंग्वेज ट्रैक्स। आंखें भी होती है दिल की जुबान। So I was talking about a beautiful quality of today's generation. I connect with that. And I follow it rigorously. But there's a good thing in me. If someone is not in touch with me for even 10 years, for example, and suddenly they stay in touch with me, I will only say, let's connect for 6 months, let's connect for a year, and then we will see how our feelings generate. Because honestly, this I don't believe in the older generations that year long you don't know each other, but suddenly there's a good moment or a sad moment, and we are caring for each other. There's no point of doing it. I moved too forward, and my this life would be spent living like a Gen Z generation in this quality, which I really love of them. just and also about relations. Like if you are single, there's nothing wrong. You can move around with someone for 6 months even. If you're not finding anyone, it's okay. But if you find someone, you only say one thing: why you want to be part of my life? If you want to be part of my life, spend a long period of time with me, without even thinking of moving ahead with anything else than friendship. Yeah, that's how life is actually. Let's do one more track. I watched the movie Border too, but I'm not doing any track from that. It's a new movie, beautiful movie. But there's an old movie Border one, which I was doing in karaoke as well, and this will be posted again as well. So I'm doing it now because I really love this track from the first part, and I want to do it. This was missing from the second part. I love this track. Once I start, you will be able to realize it. Only I'm doing this track just to burn my stress, nothing else. Yeah, I found it. It's sung again by an amazing Sonu Nigam ji, and I want to try it. माही माही मोतियां वाला, माही माही मोतियां वाला। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है, ये दुनिया खूबसूरत हो गई है। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है, ये दुनिया खूबसूरत हो गई है। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है। फिजाओं में नई एक रोशनी है, हवाओं में अजब सी ताजगी है। तुम इस वादी में मुझसे मिल रही हो, जमी लगता है जैसे गा रही है। नई रुत की महूरत हो गई है, ये दुनिया खूबसूरत हो गई है। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है। है लिपटे धुंध में दिलकश नजारे, नदी खामोश है, चुप है किनारे। है एक छोटी सी कश्ती और हम हैं, चले जाते हैं लहरों के सहारे। सुहानी अपनी संगत हो गई है, ये दुनिया खूबसूरत हो गई है। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है। मैं खेतों में बनी पगडंडियों पर तुम्हारा हाथ थामे चल रहा हूँ। है पिघला शाम के सूरज का सोना, मगर मैं सिर्फ तुमको देखता हूँ। अजब इस दिल की हालत हो गई है, ये दुनिया खूबसूरत हो गई है। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है। ये सारे लोग बिल्कुल बेखबर है, मैं दिल ही दिल में सपने बुन रही हूँ। निगाहें जो तुम्हारी कह रही है, मैं इन आँखों से वो सब सुन रही हूँ। अनोखी अपनी चाहत हो गई है, ये दुनिया खूबसूरत हो गई है। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है, ये दुनिया खूबसूरत हो गई है। हमें जब से मोहब्बत हो गई है। माही माही मोतिया वाला, माही मोड़ा दाचिया, माही माही मोतिया वाला, माही माही मोतिया वाला। हो 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 हो। So that was a thought of this week, and the two karaoke's just to burn my stress. So I got A double plus on this app. Again, another free advice. You can try your karaoke's also on the Star Maker MID 621125095226. Just download this app, and also on YouTube, Rohit Wanting Style, and you can subscribe to me. So I was talking about the good quality which I follow of Gen Z's, but there's another thing which is inside me. The religion is humanity. If you really want me to be, for Gen Z to be present at any of your occasions, start staying in touch with them, because otherwise we are so self-obsessed. We believe in the religion. I believe in the religion of humanity. I will just pray for goodness for you in your happy moments. Hope you enjoy. In moments of sadness, I wish God gives you the strength to handle the pain. We believe in God. We wish good for everyone. We don't want bad with anyone. That's the deepest thing which we have, which I have inside. So that doesn't give me any regret if I'm not present at any place or any occasion. So if you want me to be present at an occasion, you have to call me. You have to stay in touch for months and months. As I said, if you're not in touch for 10 years, then after that, if you start staying in touch, there's nothing in someone's mind, but that relation has to last for some time before even you think. And I really like good quality about relations also. When you're sync, it's okay. You can move around with someone for some time and then decide. That's how I feel. If someone enters my life, the only question I'll be asking is why you want to be part of my life. Bye bye for now. Burn my stress. The karaoke's were only dedicated to my stress. See you again someday. Follow me on the Star Maker ID 621125095226. 9526. You can also download the app and do your karaoke's, and also on Rohit Wanting Stallion on YouTube. You can subscribe as well. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you all. See you again Most probably not next week, next to next week after the 15th on YouTube. Regularly doing my karaoke to burn my stress, only to burn my stress on the Star Maker app. Bye bye for now.